number 666, as it occurs in the Bible, it's the number of the beast, which I'm going to show you that it means melanin is the beast, and man, which means male and female. Alright, so I'm going to start off by reading from Revelations chapter 3, verse 18. Here is wisdom. Let him that have understanding count the number of the beast, for it is the number of man, and his number is 666. What you may not know is 666 only occurs in the Bible 3 times. If you go to Ezra chapter 2 verse 13, it's referring to a man and how many children he had. He had 666 children. 1 Kings chapter 10 verse 14 refers to the talents of gold Solomon amassed every year. When I do a video about Santa Claus later on, we're going to talk about gifts and talents and what that means, and gold, what that has to do with chakras. So later on in another video, we're going to talk about talents and Santa Claus, how the whole Santa Claus story is about the pineal gland and melanin. The only so-called negative reference was the above in Revelations, when it referred to the number 666 as being some type of beast. Alright, so here's the understanding. First, let's deal with man. So man means human, which is like the word Adam means male and female. So all humans are referred to as carbon-based life forms. In fact, without carbon, biological molecules would not be able to bond, and the body would be a formless heap of loose atoms. Carbon comes from the Latin word carbo, meaning coal or charcoal. It is present in all known physical life forms. Carbon-12 accounts for 98.89% of all carbon. Why do I bring up carbon-12? Because the number 12 is its mass number. And that means it has 6 protons, 6 neutrons, 6 electrons. So now you have the number of man. Now let's discuss the beast. Now, the beast is melanin. Melanin comes from the Greek word melos, meaning black. You know, they're going to make everything black, negative. So you watch any movies, the movie about blah, this was really about melanin. Melanin is very chaotic, so that's why I have the chaos symbol. That symbolizes melanin. They're not going to tell you that. But whenever they do anything about chaos, they're really talking about melanin. Or anything in these movies about something black, that they're talking about melanin. Black people have more melanin within them than other races. White people, Caucasians, really have little to no melanin, and their pineal gland is pretty much calcified. So the pineal gland is what secretes melanin. Let me see what I'm talking about. Melanin is the chemical key to life, and it's the nucleus or brain of all cells. It is produced by the pineal gland or third eye, and is activated by sunlight. So, you know, they tell you Caucasians don't want to go out in the sun because of skin cancer. It has nothing to do with you. I just want to show you the book. If you really want to read up more on melanin and the difference between the different races, you can go to a book by Layla Africa called Melanin, What Makes Black People Black. Okay, so now, melanin is an organic, I'm stressing the word organic, dark, chemical, liquid pigment substance. Organic means containing all compounds of carbon. Carbon, once again, 666. So now you know.